Friday Night Frights. I'm Rip Rockney, your host. Tonight's tale is entitled The Dead Connector. Yes, where we meet a creepy psychic who's very crooked and gets his tables turned on him by a vengeful witch. A creepy tale I'm sure you'll enjoy. Oh, Gary is around. Gary, excuse me, everyone. Gary Gould, everybody. Gary, I'm so glad I saw you. I need a letter mailed, if you could. ASAP to the post office, please. And please try not to scare everyone in the process, Gary. Thank you. Oh, Gary, look out for that car! Oh, you! Oh, what do you expect from a walking dead? Oh well, enjoy your tale tonight, everyone.
So, Mr. Brewski, I hear you want to get in touch with your belated father?
Yes. I just wanted to tell him that I forgive him for being mad at me for draining his bank account. I just want to make sure that he didn't go mad.
Oh, great spirits of the underworld, hear my calling. I call upon you tonight to bring us a sign, an image, a sound of Senior Ed Brewski, that he is with us. I beg of you, O spirits of the underworld, grant me this wish. I need you to bring the dead Mr. Brewski here tonight. I beg of you, spirits of the underworld.
Dad, is that really you? Oh, please forgive me. I know I'm not trustworthy, but I'm trying. I'm learning. Dad. Oh.
Mr. Brewski, we're not done yet. Come back. Great. He's friggin' great. Didn't even pay us for the job yet. You. Why the hell did you show yourself? What the hell? What happened to the sounds of the bells? What did you forget, you friggin' freak from hell? You know that cost us $500, Bruno, out of the window. That's bad, Bruno. Next time you fuck up a job again, it's out you go on the streets, okay? I'm gonna go get a bottle of wine. I'll be right back.
Can you spare any change? I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten in 2 days now.
Don't worry. It still tastes the same. Now go away.
Please, I'll take anything. Anything, please. I'm so hungry.
I told you to get the fuck away from me, bitch! Shit! Oh, fuck! Man. Hey, Marty, you delivering kind of late tonight, huh?
Yep. This one was somehow missed en route today. In all my years of service, I never had one missed before like this. So I loaded this one up, and it has no return address.
Ah, must be a token of appreciation from one of my customers.
For ripping them off?
Let's get the fuck out of here, Marty, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Oh, wow. The new crystal ball. Wow, I needed a new one. The other one's a piece of shit. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. I wonder who sent it to me. Well, guess what? We'll use it tonight. We'll break it in, okay? Oh, hear me, great spirits of the underworld. I beg of you to grant me a request. I wish to hear from the son of Daniel Woods. What was his name?
His name is Brett.
Oh, spirits of the great world, show us a sign of Brett Woods, belated son of Daniel Woods. We wish for you to show us your glory by bringing him here right now, tonight.
Brett, is that you? Oh my God, Brett! No, Brett! No!
Oh my God, what have I done? Bruno, destroy that! What the fuck just happened? How'd I bring that walking corpse here? My God, it's the crystal. It really works, but it's for evil. We can't ever use it again. What I need you to do, Bruno, is I need you to take these two bodies downstairs, bury them in the cellar. Later we'll cover it up with cement, okay? I'm sorry, we're closed for the evening.
Please, I must see you, Mr. Khan.
Ma'am, you must come back tomorrow. We're closed.
Mr. Khan, I've traveled a very long way, and I'm a very wealthy woman, and I've heard that you were the best in raising the deceased. I need your help tonight. I must see you. Please, I'll pay you $10 million.
Okay, come in. Have a seat.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Khan.
Likewise, Mrs.
Victoria Scotch. My husband has deceased, and I need your help in speaking with him.
You did mention...
Yes, of course, the $10 million. And I shall provide that, should you help me. I can wire it to whatever bank or banks you require. It just takes my authorization.
You know, $10 million is an awful lot of money. You must really want to get in touch with your belated ex.
Well, he was a billionaire, and he hid $200 billion somewhere. And if you were as good as you say, and you could help me find it, then the $10 million is yours. So what do you say? Are you going to help me?
Excuse me for a moment. I'll be right back.
Of course.
Bruto, Mia. Yeah, Bruto. $10 million is a lot of money. Just think of what we could do with $10 million. We could have our own traveling psychic show, eat the most expensive hotels, and we'll be just rich, getting richer.
Crystal.
Yes, Bruto, I know about the crystal. I swore I would never use it, but frankly, we're poor, Bruto. And you know, if we do this, we'll be set for life. So, I say we fill this lady's request. After she exits, we become very wealthy men. Okay? Oh, hear our pleas, Lord of the Dark. Please bless us with your gracious presence for us so we can have one last request. Oh, please, Lords of the Underworld, we ask that you release Peter Scotch Jr. to our presence and for him to give us a sign or a sound. Oh, please, oh Lord, please, Lord of the Darkness, bring him to our presence. I believe your husband is here.
Peter, honey, is that you? I need you to tell me where you hid the money. Peter? Peter?
Bruno! 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 Oh my God! Bruno! Bruno, no, Bruno, no, Bruno, no, no,